Welcome to a quick bite of knowledge. Today, we're diving into the world of monkeys. First up, did you know that monkeys have their own language? They communicate with each other using vocalizations, facial expressions, and body movements. It's like a secret code, unique to each species. Next, monkeys are incredibly intelligent. They're known for their problem-solving skills, and some species even use tools to accomplish tasks, such as obtaining food. This makes them one of the smartest animals on the planet. Lastly, not all monkeys love bananas. Contrary to popular belief, many monkeys prefer a diet of leaves, fruits, and insects. Bananas are often too sugary for them, just like junk food for us. And there you have it, 3 fascinating facts about monkeys. Tune in next time for more knowledge in a nutshell.